Yo, what's up, man? So yeah, I'm showing you that huge house. Yeah, lipstick box. And how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm showing you how cute I really look. I don't look cute, but yeah, I'm cute or whatever. Yes. Okay, got it, sis. You got it, sis. Ooh. Subscribe. Ooh. So yeah, I'm using Zikel's product the entire video. That is a primer, and I love their primer. Y'all know, I mean, if you're from day one, I've been using this primer for the longest time. That is their newest foundation, honey. Why are you sleeping on that? Because if you are, I don't know what you're doing, girl. The consistency A1. So now I'm going to have to mix it because the other one is too light and the other one is too dark. So I'm going to mix the two together and I'll do something. You'll see. Yeah. So that beauty blender is from Zikel Cosmetics too, and they all don't really know that, but yeah, they make amazing beauty blenders. So yeah, I'm just blending. So what's up? Let's talk. How have you been? Look at my cute ass turban. Do you want a turban tutorial? Because I've been getting requests on IG, so if you do, comment down below. Oh, you see that? I mixed the foundation and foundation cover. So funny. Now I'm going to just conceal with the other foundation. I love this foundation, but I love the newest one better. So yeah, that one is more matte, and yeah, I just love it more. Look at what I'm doing. I'm just blending, honestly. I'm just blending. So let's talk about you. Let's talk about your life, girl. What's up? Yeah, come. Yeah, guitar. So yeah, I'm using that huge ass powder thing. I'm using the translucent powder to set my concealed area. That's Zikel's brush. They make brushes too, in case you don't know. Brow fidance. That is my jam. That is my everything. It's so precise, honey. It's so precise, and like it gets the job done everywhere. Like, So I'm filling in my brows now. So have you subscribed at this point? If you haven't, I mean, what are you doing? Please now help my ministry. What is this? Are we fighting? I don't fight with anyone. I'm such an amazing person. What are you doing? Subscribe, like, comment. Let's talk. Let's be family. Anyway, so now I'm going to use that boss lady to do my, eyeshadow. I'm doing a cut crease, sort of a half cut crease. So now I'm cutting the crease with a concealer that is creamy beige from LA Girl, and yeah, it's just very amazing. Yeah, I'm doing that thing so that I will get the precise line from the top. I'm going in with the yellow eyeshadow. I'm going in with that yellow. Yeah. So are you following me on IG? Because if you are not, I mean, honey, what? I don't buy it. I'm on Twitter too. So I actually like this thing that I did. It's sort of, I wanted to wing it, but not really. Like, the brown is really compliment. I just love this eye look, honestly. Like, I did that, man. I'm the cutest. Okay. Yeah, you get it, sis. I'm using that tiny blending brush to actually get the upper parts. Lashes Slay Mama from Zikel. And eyeliner too. I'm using it to, that gap between your lashes and your, eye tear duct area. I prefer it when it's dark, so I do that. I'm using a fluffy brush from Zikel Cosmetics. I'm showing it to you to, put the powder all over my face. Sort of blend it together. That's a face definer, also from Zikel Cosmetics. I'm going to contour with it everywhere. You want to get everywhere, honey, okay? You want to do that. Voice over is really funny. You just be sitting in your room talking to yourself, looking at your cute self on the phone and just doing it. So what's up? I'm contouring my huge nose. Lord knows I need it. Okay, go get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Do your thing, honey. Do you? Okay, sorry, I was supposed to explain it. So yeah, so I'm going to I'm going to do it over the face. Now oh yeah, the blush. See how excited I was? Like, y'all know I live for blush. It's my favorite aspect of makeup. I love blush so much. The glow kit. This is the newest glow kit, honey. It has 5 cards, and I'm going to use that inner card, the center one, so that put it on my eyelids. Yeah, get that glow, honey. Yo, glow from everywhere. Damn, I really am pretty. Like, look at this. If you're at this point, just like the video, Biko. Like the video and comment, honey. It will not kill you. By the way, if you don't, I'll find you and I'll, sort of beat you up. I'm sorry, I would not let anything happen to you. See what I'm telling you? I just top that thing up there so that it will look more there. So I'm just looking at my cute self. okay, no. Looking for the huge, yeah, lipsticks. They are all kiss proof, and they are all matte, and I'm using nude. I see, but I'm on my bed. I cannot go there and look for the names, honey. I'm sorry. No, please, they are nude. Okay, and I'm going to line my lips with a regular brown liner. Okay, so yeah, how's everything? How is work today? Are you stressed out? Because I really am. Are you stressed out from work and day-to-day activities? I'm going to use gloss at this point. I don't know why it took me so long to put gloss. Like just get over it. God. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to use another nude. The two, yeah, just to get everything together. Now I'm going to look cute or whatever. Oh my God, I'm so pretty, mommy. Anyway, please share and subscribe, and thank you for hanging out. I'm looking to start a series, a beauty series. I hope you'd enjoy it, and I'll leave you alone. Bye bye, honey. I'm so cute when I kiss. You have my face.